Hi everyone, I just want to insert this and make a quick review about this Madden Girl HANSEL lace-up boots, which I really love. I really love the color. Like this is, it says the color is cognac, and 6.5 inches, which is 23.5 cm. But I got a size 7 because they don't have my size. But this one fits me really good, and I love it. I can still wear a thicker socks. Wanted some space in there because my feet is wider over here. But it says on the side that it's true to size. So I mean, you can still get that your exact size. But if you just want a room to wiggle your feet and stuff, maybe go up like half size bigger. So. And also I'm wearing this kind of thin socks that goes up in here, which is a love. And this is like, I mean, I've been like trying on some outfits and still like very comfortable over here. So my feet didn't hurt, and I haven't worn it outside because the time that I was going to wear it, it started raining. So you know that this is like a man-made upper and also the lining, so I don't want to risk that. But I really love the shaft, or like this, it's slim because it's slimmer. I love that details. I don't like those boots with like spaces in here, but this is really comfortable. I got this like thinner lace like my black Steve Madden, and also it comes with like extra shoelace, so that's very nice. I've seen some reviews about that, like they have problems with the sizing. And yeah, so if you have like wider feet, you should go half size bigger. I have wider feet, so I think the size 7 really fits me perfectly. So yeah, that's that. And also I love this extra sole. Like it's really chunky. And it says also like here, like there's some reviews that she said it makes a squeaky sound, but for me it doesn't do that. So I'm not sure if it's what does she mean by that. But yeah, I love this, and I purchase it again if you know if her time is up. But yeah, as you can see, it's very slick and so gorgeous. You will see it in all my outfit ideas. It really looks good. Yeah, so that's all I can say about this boots. I think for the price and for like the fit of it and how it looks, I think, you know, it's just perfect. Yeah. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I will try to answer them. And yeah, I have some outfit ideas or like styling this combat boots, so let's go.